fellow Dragonstaffers, and welcome to a Dragonstaff tutorial for Intro to Prayers. In this video, we will be covering 3 different prayer tricks. The first being split time chi prayers. The second being same time chi prayers. And the third being a front body prayer roll. Before we get started, a huge thank you to all of you watching and supporting on Patreon. Thank you for making videos like this possible, and thank you for making it possible for me to continue to live my dream of sharing Dragonstaff with the world. There is going to be one prerequisite and an additional optional prerequisite for this one. The first is your same time chi rolls. The second is a front body roll. There are many different prayer tricks, and I do believe that these 2 prayers, the split time chi prayer and the same time chi prayer, are very good places to start in your prayer journey. We're going to start with the split time chi prayer, and we'll come into this by holding the staff at the inner elbows and bringing our hands into a prayer position in front of the staff like so. From here we can start to do this rocking back and forth motion to send the staff rolling away from us down one arm at a time. And I'm going to start by sending the right side of the staff down the right arm first. Once that end of the staff reaches the inner wrist or thumb mound here, we can use that thumb mound to send that end of the staff up to roll back down that arm. And as soon as that right side of the staff comes back up near the shoulder or bicep or inner right elbow, the left side of the staff should be reaching that point at the inner wrist or left thumb mound. And that creates our split time prayer chi. So as soon as the left side of the staff reaches the left thumb mound, we can let the thumb mound make contact with the left side of the staff to send the left side of the staff back up near the inner left elbow. And we can alternate back and forth to create our split time prayer chi, or chi prayer. I can't remember which I had said in the beginning. And by holding the prayers up kind of near the chest or neck, we can help to lock the staff at the inner crooks of the elbows or inner forearms, just to help to keep the staff from falling and to keep the staff rolling in a nice, stable way. If I didn't already mention, the staff is rolling away from you. And these split time prayer chis are very beneficial, not just as a beginner level prayer trick, but also as a way of continuing the roll of your staff and to create momentum in your prayers. So that is our split time chi prayer. Now we're going to go into our same time chi prayer. And this is where it'll be very beneficial if you are already comfortable with your same time chi rolls, which are these here. And if you come into your same time chi roll, at any point where the staff is rolling down the arms, right there, we can bring the hands into that prayer position and allow the center point to roll over the thumbs, over the fingers, so that we bring the prayer hands up near the face the staff will start to roll down the bottoms of our forearms or our outer forearms. And as soon as the staff is going to reach the elbows, we're going to bring the prayer hands underneath the center point, extend the arms straight out in front of us to create a path for the staff to continue rolling down, again rolling away from us. So as we start our same time prayer chi, we have the staff making contact with both arms, but as the staff reaches the hands, we want the contact point to switch to the center as the center point rolls over the thumbs, over the prayer hands. Again, bring those prayer hands up near the face so that the staff can roll down the arms towards the elbows. Before the staff drops off the elbows, bring those prayer hands underneath the staff out in front of you, creating a path for the staff so that you can do continuous same time prayer chis. That is your same time prayer chi. Now here is where we can have a little bit of extra fun with these. If you are comfortable with your front body roll, essentially holding the staff up above our heads on the hands, allowing the staff to roll down the arms. As soon as the staff is reaching about the chest, we'll bring the arms down underneath the staff to create that pathway for the staff to continue rolling. And we can also do this with the hands in a prayer position. And it's really nice to come into this from our same time prayer chi. So at any point when we're in our same time prayer chi and the staff is rolling over the hands onto, what would you say, the bottoms of the hands, instead of continuing our prayer chi as we've been doing, we can bring the hands up high overhead in a prayer position, like so. And the center point will roll over the prayer hands, down the arms. As soon as the staff reaches the armpits or the chest, you want to be really quick about this part. You will have to undo your prayer hands as that happens so that you can quickly bring the arms straight out in front of you. And as soon as the staff is rolling down the arms with the arms straight out in front of you, you can bring the hands back into a prayer position. And there you have split time chi prayers, same time chi prayers, and a front body prayer roll. That's all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.